Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we're gonna be talking about Python. Now this script actually allows the regular users to add the bulk comments in the projects. What this script actually does is, first of all, it checks for two permissions. If they have a browser permission, the user that is being authenticated, and also if they have the add comments permission. Now, it is being assumed that this user is within the Jira Software Users group that allows you to actually do some bulk operations in here. So this is something that can be used by the regular users. Now, once you actually get authenticated, it checks and it says where you can comment. So what are the projects that you can actually comment on, and what are the projects where you cannot comment on. Now from here, in my case, I can actually see all the projects because I'm the organization admin, Jira admin. I'm basically everything in here and I can see everything. But this may differ for you. So, since you're the regular user, you're going to be needing three things. First of all, you're gonna be needing the URL of your instance. So you can find the URL of your instance. Everything that is after .net you don't need. So you actually copy and paste this part. Now after that, you're also going to be needing your email address, and you're also going to be needing your API key. And the API key, the regular API key, not the API key that has scopes in it. Alright, when you get all those three things, you get authenticated successfully. And from here, I have all of these projects. Now, the way this script actually works is it asks you the project keys for the projects. So I can say that this is Leo, then comma, then I can go with Mplat, I can go with HR, I can go with FAC. So it's gonna be 4 projects in here. Now it's going to ask you what kind of comment do I want to actually add in here. So I'm gonna say hello from Python. Maximum number of issues to comment on. Default is basically 50. So I'm not gonna go more than that. I'm gonna keep it light. I'm gonna be on 40. Now what it does is finding 40 issues, and it's actually going through it now, and it's adding to these issues right here. So it actually even selects more projects and more issues of the comments that are being added to the FAC project itself. So it's actually going, and it's actually going still. And now it's saying that basically it's done. So if I go back here and if I search for Leo 56, that was it. So Leo 56, the legal team, and it's adding it and it's saying hello from Python. Now let's take a look at the different ones. So HR 67, for example. Let's go with that one. Alright, so that was weird. What was it? It was HR. It was HR 67. HR 67. And if you actually go for that one, now you can also notice in here what's going on in here. So this was when it was actually being created and everything else. Now, if we actually go around through our scripting here, so we've seen that basically it works. Finding the issues and everything else, maximum number, common text to add, load keys, enter projects, or basically everything is happening. Listing projects you can comment in, where you also have what you can actually do and what you cannot do. And it starts from here, basically asking what your domain is, what is your email, what is your API token. Now, add comment to the issues themselves. Issue key, comment, and everything else. Now, yeah, and it's actually using this REST API search JQL, the updated one. So that is something to actually have in mind. Ask for key page size. So as we can see, it's 50. You can actually change this to be more, right? And this is the JQL that is basically doing so. Order by updated in the descending order. So since it's actually in the descending order, what basically this means is when it was updated, but in the descending order for those issues, you're adding the comments in there. So if someone would ask, it would be like, well, what is the criteria that is based on determining which issues are basically getting the updates in here? This is the actual answer to it. And basically that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya.